Hey everybody, Jeff here again with Advisor Tech Partners, and today we're going to be covering OnceHub automations with Wealthbox, so that when someone schedules with OnceHub, and I know a lot of you LPL advisors use OnceHub, that it gets into Wealthbox categorized correctly. It finds the contact that's scheduling, and so it's great for compliance, it's great for tracking your meetings. So we'll get into it and share with you the automation today. Jeff here, and I just wanted to let you know about our new Zapier automation templates. So whether you're on Redtail or Wealthbox, we have brand new automation templates in the link in the description. So this is a great way to get started with Zapier automation, because once you sign up for these automation templates, you're going to get them into your inbox immediately. You click on the link in the Zapier automation, automatically goes into your Zapier account. What it does is when a lead or prospect is entered into your CRM, it's going to automatically launch an opportunity. So very important for you guys looking to keep track of your opportunities and close business very quick. So back to the video. So we've been getting a lot of questions about automations with OnceHub. You know, a lot of advisors do use OnceHub, and we've been covering Calendly and G Reminders here on the channel for Advisor Tech Partners. So we're going to get into the OnceHub side of things. I just want to show you the automation today to make it so when someone schedules, and we'll use the annual review as an example in this video, a specific meeting type that is going into Wealthbox with the correct event type, so you can run data on how many annual reviews you've been having or any other type of meeting that's in OnceHub. And then it will also link the contact automatically. So it's great for compliance, and haven't been seeing any OnceHub tutorials out there for people who use Wealthbox and Zapier, so I just wanted to give that to you here today. So the first step is connecting your OnceHub with Zapier, and once you connect it, we are going to choose the booking scheduled. That is the indicator as to when someone schedules with you, right? And then the filter conditions, in our case, it is annual review with Jeff, because we are booking with this annual review with Jeff booking link from OnceHub, right? And so the way that Zapier reads it is the booking dash subject exactly matches annual review with Jeff. So other meeting types are not going to go through this automation. So now that we've learned how to filter it, there is something that we need to do with custom code. If you need this custom code, please let me know. Our email contact is below in the description. But this is a code that basically takes the booking time and spits it out in the ISO format. So OnceHub does not give you the ISO format that Wealthbox needs for the start and end time of the meeting. So if I have a meeting from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m., the thing is OnceHub does not give you that data as an output. Once someone schedules, you're not going to get the start time and the end time. You're only going to get the start time, and then you're going to get something that looks like this right here, which is, it gives you everything. So it's like, it gives you the day, it gives you the start time, gives you the end time. So we need to run this custom code here, and use the input of the booking time to give us the calendar start time and the calendar end time, okay? So this is one step that you might have trouble with. If you need the code, just reach out and I'll shoot it over to you, no problem. And then below this, we have find contact. So what we're going to do is use the email address that was used in the OnceHub booking right here to find the contact. In our case, it's an annual review, so we know it's with a client. And so when someone uses that link, it's going to find them in Wealthbox and automatically attach them to the event. And then finally, here we have the event. So during this find contact stage, you're going to get this Wealthbox ID. I'm just titling this event annual review with name, and using the start ISO time and the end ISO time. ISO is just the calendar format. Don't feel threatened by it. And then we get it categorized as annual review in our system, right? So everything is in here to get it categorized correct in Wealthbox, so you can start having automatic reporting, automatic info going into your dashboards, and ensuring that the contact is being connected to that event type. So I am going to run through the automation. Let's make sure that it is published. So I'm going to run through it live with you guys. I'm actually going to schedule to show you what it looks like. So I will be scheduling it as if I am Joe Schmo, and we can see his email right here. And so let's get started. So the automation is live. It is published, and I am going to book for Tuesday, September 30th at 4 p.m. Here are the credentials that I'm using to schedule with myself for an annual review, or for Joe Schmo to schedule an annual review with Jeff. I'm going to click on schedule. Now this is in the works. Let's go back to our Zap. So we can see that this Zap has been initiated. It's all green, and that means the whole automation went through. So I'm going to go to Joe's contact card and see what happened. Let me press on refresh and let's see if it showed up. So we're here on Joe Schmo's contact card, and we can see that the event came in automatically. It has the correct subject. It has the correct category, so we can run data automatically, so we don't have to worry about manual input. I am tagged there as the invited user because it's my calendar. I'm the advisor in the situation. And Joe Schmo was related to / invited to this event inside of Wealthbox automatically based on the email match. And so it's great for compliance. It also shows up right here in the feed, on his feed specifically, and just shows you that an annual review was scheduled. So this is a great automation. I know a lot of you financial advisory firms use OnceHub, and I wanted to make sure that we started making content for it. If you have any questions about OnceHub or any automation questions, please leave a comment down below and we'll be sure to make a video about it. I went over today how to make it so when someone schedules in OnceHub that it automatically gets into Wealthbox with the correct subject line, the correct advisor, the related to field to make sure that it gets archived on your client's contact card, and so on. So I hope this was very helpful to you. And if you need that code that was in the Zapier step, feel free to reach out and we'll shoot that over to you. So thank you so much and happy Friday.